Hello my dear students, how are you all? I know you are all fine. So, our today's class is on the subject EVS as you see on the board, and our topic is clothes we wear. This topic is in your book in the page number 51. 51, it is chapter 10. So earlier we have read about the chapter what we need. We need shelter, we need food and water, and along with this we need also clothes to live properly. Why? We learn about these clothes, how many types of clothes we wear, how many types of clothes are there, and how are they made. We learn about these things in this chapter. So now concentrate on your studies, on your text from the book. Look, like food and water and shelter, clothes are also one of our basic needs. So clothes are our one of basic needs. Along with food, shelter and water, clothes are our basic needs. They protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust and insect. So clothes. So remember these things, that clothes are our basic needs. BASIC, basic needs. Next, it also protects us from, it protects us from what? Rain, heat, dust and what? Cold and insects. So clothes protect us from rain, heat, dust, cold and insects, and it is also our basic need, one of our basic needs. Okay, next we'll come to the point, types of clothes. How many types of clothes are there? We wear different kinds of clothes, and which are those? Look, we wear clothes of different materials according to the season and the climate of the place where we live. So our clothing sense, our clothing depends on two things, according to the season and according to the place, climate of the place where we live. Upon these two things our clothing sense depends. Now come to the types of clothes, various clothes. First comes cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. The very name suggests that it is made of cotton. It is made of cotton. And we wear these dresses in summer season. Summer season, and it is made of cotton. It is made of cotton. Now look what is in your book. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They keep our body cool. They soak up sweat easily and allow air to pass through. We get cotton from a cotton plant. So why do we wear cotton clothes during summertime? Because it absorbs our sweat easily and passes the air through it. So we do not feel much hot. So we wear cotton clothes in summertime. And we also get cotton from a cotton plant. Made of cotton, we get this from cotton plant. Okay. Now come to the next part. Woolen cloths. Woolen cloths. First we read about cotton cloths. Next comes woolen clothes. WOOLLEN, woolen clothes. And it is made of wool. It is made of wool and we wear them in winter season to keep us warm. Okay. And we get this wool from animal hair. Animal hair. Now look at the text. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. They do not let the body heat go out. We get wool from the hair of animals like sheep, yak, and rabbit. So we wear woolen clothes in winter because it keeps our body warm inside us. It does not allow our body warmth to go outside. So we feel warm inside, and we make woolen clothes from wool, and wool is got, we get wool from animal hairs, hair of animals like sheep, yak, and rabbit. We get wool from animal hairs like sheep, yak, and rabbit. Okay, these are woolen clothes. Which type of woolen clothes do we wear? Sweater, muffler, shawl, etc. Okay. Next, we will learn about another type of cloth. Cotton in summer, woolen in winter. Next comes leather clothes. Leather. Leather. Leather clothes. 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 Leather clothes. We wear leather clothes also in winter. They keep us warm. We get leather from skin of dead animals. So we also wear leather clothes during the winter. We also wear leather clothes during the winter. And we get leather from where? From the animal skin. Dead animal skin, okay? Not alive, not living animal. But when animals dies, from the skin of dead animals, we get leather and make clothes like leather clothes. And like leather jacket, leather pants, etc. We also wear leather clothes in winter season. Next, silk clothes. Turn the page number 52. Next comes silk clothes. Silk clothes. Look, we wear silk clothes mostly on special occasions like marriages and birthdays. They are soft and have a shine. We get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. So it is made of silk and we get silk from silkworm. The silkworm makes the silk and we get them to make our clothes, silk clothes. And we wear these clothes during special occasions, mainly during special occasions. They are shiny, they are very shiny and attractive, so we wear them during the special occasions. Next comes rayon clothes. Rayon, R-A-Y-O-N, rayon. Rayon clothes. Nowadays, these clothes are used very much. Look, we wear clothes made of rayon in summer and rainy season. Rayon is light and dries easily. It also feels soft like silk. It is made from wood pulp. Wood pulp. So rayon is made from wood pulp. From wood pulp, rayon is made, and from that rayon clothes are made. So from wood pulp, rayon is made, and we wear these dresses during summer and during rainy season anytime, because these are easy to use and it dries easily. These are very light and it also looks like silk. So rayon clothes are nowadays very popular. Next comes waterproof clothes. Waterproof clothes. Waterproof clothes. Waterproof clothes means that does not allow to calm the water inside of our body. We wear waterproof clothes over our clothes. We wear a cloth and we wear the waterproof cloth upon it, because when it rains, we can protect ourselves wearing this waterproof cloth. They protect us from getting wet. They protect us from getting wet, and they are made of rubber or plastic. They are made of rubber or plastic. They are made of rubber or plastic, and we made them. We make them because for our sake, for our personal uses. These materials are made by man. Okay, we do not get them from any kind of trees or plants or animals, but we make them. So from rubber or plastic, we can make waterproof clothes. Next comes canvas clothes. You know, canvas is a very strong material. Canvas is just very strong material, and it is made from a plant called hemp. It is made from a plant called hemp. From hemp, we get canvas. We get canvas from hemp, and we use this material to make strong clothes like jeans, shoes, and handbags. Remember the example of canvas clothes: jeans or shoes and handbags. And we can wear it in any season. We can wear canvas clothes in any season. Okay. Next comes jute clothes. Next comes jute clothes. You know, jutes are used to make sacks or bags, but besides, we can make also some clothes with the help of jute, and we can make a rope and some bags, handbags, and doormats, and we can also make some dresses, and these are used in mainly winter time. Okay, because these dresses are warm. And we also wear various clothes in different occasions. We also wear various clothes in different occasions. We do not wear same cloth all day or part day in particular per occasion. We wear different kind of dresses in different occasions. Like, look, we wear clothes in festivals, weddings, birthdays, and other special occasions, and those are called formal clothes. So formal clothes. Formal clothes. We wear them where? On festivals. Like festivals, weddings, birthdays, and other occasions, etc. We wear formal dresses during these occasions. Next, we also wear formal clothes or uniforms. We also wear uniforms during work. Our particular work, uniform. You have your school uniform. Your teachers has a teacher's uniform. So, a particular clothes are used in one place, that is called uniform. Okay, those are also formal clothes. And that those clothes which we wear daily or for regular uses are called casual dresses. Okay, formal dresses and casual. After formal comes casual. Casual dresses. We wear these dresses regularly for daily uses. Those are called casual dresses. The clothes we wear on other days are called casual clothes. So these are the dresses we wear. You have learned now just cotton clothes, woolen clothes, leather clothes, silk clothes, rayon clothes, waterproof clothes, canvas clothes and jute clothes. And we also learned that we wear different kind of clothes for different occasion, like formal clothes and casual clothes. Formal clothes we wear during occasion, festivals, and we also wear formal uniforms in a particular place, in workplace or school, offices, etc. And we wear casual clothes in our house. We, for our regular uses, we use casual dresses. So these were the dresses we wear. Next day we will discuss about how we get the dresses from the material and how will we take care about the clothes. For now, that is all, and you must read the chapter again and understand the chapter properly and more clearly. Okay, so take care and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.